Attempt number 2, cooking brisket. This time I want to try to rub first with, I don't know which one of the mustards, and then I'll rub in the spices. Oh, let's get it on wrap. Well, originally perfect brisket should be half this part and half this part. Like somewhere here. This one is 1.5 kilo or 1.7 kilo comparing to previous one, which was 1 kilogram. Now I need to trim some bits what I don't need. I think I'm doing right. I'm just learning totally new. But if someone have suggestions how to do better, I will listen. One side is ready. Oh, looks so good. Just need to take this, don't know even how it calls this, super thin skin. I don't like how it looks. I'm not sure if you need to take, but I'm not risking. It's nothing in white what I took from this side. That's it. But the meat looks so much nicer and cleaner now. I need to do same from this side, just to take this tissue layer or sharp knives, definitely helping. Yeah, sharpen your knife before you start doing things like this, otherwise you will not be able to cut very thin. Anyway, I'm talking I think too much without even knowing exactly what I'm doing. Who is good in smoking? Can you tell me taking this skin is good or not? Because the way I see, this one gonna stop from spices and flavors going in a meat. So I want to take it off so it can go in much better. That's it. Not much of a waste, 1 palm. I have 3 types of mustard, probably different strengths. Only the way to find out which one I would prefer is to taste it. This one sweetest, this one super strong. I like the flavor, but it's super strong. It's like a mustard with something else, spiciest in the middle. Let's use this one then. The reason I'm using mustard this time is 2 reasons actually. One is because I want to try something different than last time, and another thing is that I'm not leaving to marinate and get these spices in through the night, and I leave for like maybe 1 hour until I will get ready for my barbecue, everything. Same rub as last time, as I made enough, just shake it so it would be easier to apply. So I will apply same amount and tap 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 tap. Last time it was a little bit too salty in some spots, in the thinner spots, but because this one is same, should be okay. Hardest part is to get sides. Hopefully that will do. I know I already did one very big mistake for meat. When I took all these unneeded bits from a meat, I forgot to dry it. To take paper towel and just dab until the meat is super dry, and only then to apply mustard and rubs. Hopefully it's not that bad. We will see. But I got a nice upgrade for this time. Thermo Pro. Well, this one paid £18 from Amazon. Oh, it has magnets. Ooh, really strong. I'll just place like this or like this, just to be able to see the temperature close to my meat. Temperatures are very different in front and in the back. It's just I need this one to know where I should place my meat. That is for temperature and that is for timer, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Oh, there is a stand as well. Yeah, and a hook. You can hook somewhere. Basically just choose one of the options and you see temperatures. You can set alarm if it goes too high or too low, something like this. Inside temperature, meat temperature, I need for first round 170 Fahrenheit. So probe 1 and temperature, oh, this is lowering, 170, and I think it should start beeping when it reaches this one. And probe 2, barbecue temperature inside. How to set now? Had to check instruction. Basically when I choose probe 2 and want to adjust low high temperature, which is you press low or high and you press and hold for 3 seconds this button, and then you can just change temperature what you want for high, press again, then goes to low what you want, and that's it, ready. And to place this for temperatures, squeeze this. I noticed that this chimney hot goes up to here very quick, and then the last few ones takes forever. So I'll try to dump them. Just don't rush to put meat on, because what I heard in one video saying first 30 minutes is the flavor what you're gonna get in a meat from a smoke. Make sure they are very well ready. You'll have clean and nice smoke in your meat, and it should taste much better. Looking at the timer, now still probably better just leaving a chimney, even though the last bit goes really slow. It's 6 p.m. Inside thermometer for barbecue and meat thermometer. And now let's leave probably for at least 2 hours, or probably after 1.5 hours I will need to top up my coals because they're burning about in 1.5 hours. I'll check temperatures and I will know where to move my meat. As you can see, that's the way you want smoke, no dirty smoke. It's nice and clean. Can't even see anything. My temperature stopped on 300 Fahrenheit and I'm happy with that. I'll leave where it is, and actually very similar readings like here. Here shows almost 300, over there 300. And we will see how it will go. Hydration is important as well. Nice. New chimney is getting ready. from same butcher I took sausages, and we will try to fry. Again, of course, messing with the temperatures for brisket, but I'll try to cover brisket with this one to keep temperature in. And let's try. Let's see what's gonna be. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nearly touched. I already burned my fingers. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Temperature's not accurate. Let's move meat a bit closer because it's open. Need more temperature here, I guess.
I like the way it jiggled.
Oh yeah, perfect. And now let's get on the sausages. Oh, no plastic. We'll see. Are they nice or not? Right, our sausages are 87 Celsius, 1 second Fahrenheit, 190 Fahrenheit. I think I will wait. I don't think I need to wait anymore. Should be done. Yeah, it's 87. It's kind of safe temperature. And let's double check. Right, yeah, temperature showing right. That should be ready. Let's unplug the probe. I'll put it back like this, just to see temperatures.
You're letting all the juice in itself. Yeah, he's there doing it.
Yep. Okay,
Can you
plate.
bring something?
Yeah, we need a plate. I'll grab the grabbers.
Oh, sausage, kaputski.
Got it.
Nothing's
Close the
too
lid,
hot
please.
apart from me. I'm
I know you're the hottest. That's sausages. I'll buy.
It's okay.
No, that's still English sausage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to go to Lithuania and then find out how to make real sausages. Because these ones, I don't know, it's nice, it's okay.
It's good for baby.
It's good for baby,
Doesn't have a lot
yeah.
of salt on it.
We're here.
Is it not bad to keep opening though?
Yeah, it is
Let
bad,
it
but we're not doing anymore after this. Chimney number 2.
There goes my eyebrows.
Her eyebrows are okay, don't worry guys. Okay, you come back somewhere here. Here. Yeah. And close it.
Yeah.
That's right, my boy. Someone likes sausages. Yeah? Temperature is just going too high, so every few minutes I just do a bit of air flow inside. It drops by like 10 degrees, 20. Don't know what else I can do. Probably second chimney was too big. I should put less coals next time. Half chimney, yeah, that will do next time. I don't have an actual spray. Need to buy. Anyway, mixed apple cider vinegar and water 50-50 ratio, and just, yeah, I know it's too cold now. To keep it moist and nice, and close it. I'll just keep doing that every time I need to open because of temperature, so something been 2 hours. Time to flip around, I guess. Turn it. Take this one. Yes, I know. Oh. Not getting bark on it. Don't know why. Oh. Hopefully it will be nice. I should spray, but hopefully not gonna be too intense. And now wait for a while again. Quick update. My meat temperature is 169. Oop, nearly fell. My meat temperature 169 Fahrenheit. Celsius is 76. Another 5 extra degrees in Fahrenheit, then it will be 175. I will wrap. Temperature is dropping down. I have 255 Fahrenheit in here, so temperatures was a little bit jumping, but it's not too bad. Not ideal by far, but it's not too bad. And I'm getting ready my last half of a chimney. Then I will wrap meat. Oh, my meat is ready. I did set 170, now it's 171, but I will wait until 175. And my coals are nearly ready. So now it is 9:30. I've been doing 3.5 hours. I used only 2 full chimneys so far, and now I'll put another half chimney. That should be enough to finish it up. Okay, my meat temperature is 173. That will do. The hardest moment is now to wrap the meat and put it back and put coal. And at this time meat gonna cool down the most, so I need to be as quick as possible. Let's put it here quickly. Internal temperature dropped 165, which is not too bad. Probably will drop for another 5 degrees or so because from outside we're cold. I don't know. I'll wait until it will reach 200, 205 Fahrenheit. Already 10:30. Whew. That's many hours. And my fire is going down. I still have 291 Fahrenheit, but I had to move meat from here up. Now it's here and coals is right here, so almost done. Internal temperature is 192. Oh, will I get it done or not? Still need 8 Fahrenheit. Beeping. 203 Fahrenheit. What is in Celsius? 95 Celsius or 203 Fahrenheit. My temperature dropped to 250 Fahrenheit, so fire is almost gone. I just managed to do it. Yeah. Only few coals left. So yeah, nice. This one helped a lot. and never showing internal temperature, so I didn't need to keep checking. Right, just to double check. Yeah, temperatures are good. Now let's take this one off, wrap in a towel, leave for 1 hour. And leave like this for an hour now. 11:15. So it's 4 hours 45 minutes. Took everything. And it's like 1.7 kilogram ish brisket. Let's wait 1 hour for now to rest. Tissues will break, moisture and all juices will go, will spread within meat. 1 hour gone. Temperature just dropped to 153 Fahrenheit. Time to slice it. Let's try to cut here in the middle. Oh, it has pink ring, not as big as last time, yeah. Juiciness, oh, juice are pouring, okay. Let's try to cut here. Oh. One for you, my love, and one for me. Has beautiful color. Not as much flavor as previous, yeah? And a bit more chewy.
Yeah.
Which one you like more?
The previous one was melting in my mouth. But I
still very nice.
There's like a big thing there.
Because if you break this piece, it's actually very nice. It's more natural flavor. This one have some juice, but not too much. Then let's try this part.
Yeah, because this piece is way softer
this part
than that. Yeah, because that's why it was so chewy.
But it's good, yeah? Oh, okay, let's try this piece now. Oh, breaks. This one is melting, but as well, not much of a flavoring I can feel comparing to previous.
Well, remember the previous one was too salty, so it's better less salt.
But it's very nice. Probably because I forgot to dry the meat, then I put mustard and only then spices. I think spices didn't got into the meat that much, but in general it's a little bit boring flavor comparing to previous, but it keeps the actual beef flavor. It's juicy, still need to work on fire management. It's quite nice, but Next time if I will do same with mustard, I'll put more spices. Anyway, was awesome. Now I need to make some nice sandwiches and feast on this.